Welcome back, guys, to another episode. Look at these cool gloves that I just got. They were like $30, but they match my dirt bike. Yeah. Anyway, this is gonna be another one of those no commentary, just ride videos, or mostly no commentary, just ride videos. So if you enjoy those kind of videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You know, why don't we comment your favorite bike brand? Let's go with that. Comment down below your favorite bike brand. I will start off. It's clearly Yamaha. All right, let's go. Fucking squirrel. What the hell are you doing? Another squirrel. Holy shit. Spiders. God, everything is just so grown up. Can't even go down there anymore unless I had a four-wheeler. I accidentally tore up the yard here. I took my very sharp corner. Nah, not really. that flag used to be further out that way. I don't know. I really like these gloves. They fit nicer than the other ones. They feel nicer, even though I'm pretty sure they're the exact same ones, just different color. Oh well. So my old ones match my helmet, but these match my bike, which is better by all standards, I believe. God, my bike needs washed again. Because last time I went, we didn't really wash it. Kind of got half-ass washed. I could just get like a bucket and a scrub and wash it myself. Move! Up! Riding with my friends out this way, because we literally never ride my trails. Like, I have a fuck ton of trails and we'd ride them for like 5 minutes and then we'd start riding these back roads. I miss that shit. Miss that shit hella. This fucking road. That's what I smell. Tar. Fuckers. I was like, what smells like fucking? I don't even know. What smells like tar? The tar. Man, we should go flying up and down these roads. It felt like. I think since I gained weight, I can't go that fast. I'm like almost 200 pounds now. I'm getting like a fat guy. Becoming a fat guy. Fat guy eating too much pad thai. kill the plants on the side of the road. It's fucking awful. And then like they give up on this part. Like, why do they only tar certain sections? Because there's fields on both sides, or I don't really understand like what the difference is. Why you tar some parts and don't tar other parts. I don't know, maybe I'm just going crazy. I was crazy once.